And my family and other customers were like, how did you meet these people? I was like, we met on Facebook.
I'm Ashley Rapp. I own Olivier Desserts, which is in Cincinnati, Ohio, and we do custom cakes and homemade goodies. So make macarons, cake pops, brownies, and kind of everything in between.
Back in 2017, when I found the Passion to Profit community, I was still playing small in my business. I was desperately trying to grow. I had moved into a commercial kitchen space because I couldn't do it out of my house anymore. But then I needed a staff, I needed to be a leader, I needed to have better organizational tools, I needed to know how to price my product desperately, or I wasn't gonna be able to grow any bigger. I was really extending myself, just being in that place. And then when Passion to Profit came about, I was like, I have to do this. I need to invest in myself so that I can invest in the business and grow. I trusted Janelle because her demeanor and attitude is just so genuine. She is going to give it to you straight, but still with a caring heart, she has been there. I think it's really important to talk to someone who has gone through it before you. So I finished Passion to Profit in May, and my June sales were over $13,000, almost $14,000. So if you're hearing me again just one more time, in March, my sales were $5,700 for the whole month, and I was super busy. And in June, my sales were over $13,000, almost $14,000. And I was so much happier, and I was getting paid better, and my work was being appreciated. Some major accomplishments since the last IRL was opening my storefront bakery, which was everything I thought it would be and so much more. And lots of the women that I met at IRL, which that last year was the first time we ever met, came to help me, support me, and open the bakery. And it was just like indescribable.
Let's grand open this place. I love you, and I'm so proud of you. Yes, we've been planning this for a while together. She's a patient.
I didn't know that some of them were coming.
So Carrie just walked in 10 seconds ago.
People were behind me rebaking, like we sold out twice during the day, and if I didn't have my other bakery sisters there with me, we couldn't have been making more stuff behind the scenes. So if I didn't have 5 all-stars behind me, we would have just been sold out, thanks for coming, see you next time. And instead, we were able to serve everybody. People were waiting in line. We were only open for 5 hours, and we did $7,000 in sales. I could have never even made all of that stuff without all of those wonderful people helping me, and the fact that they left their bakeries, they got all of their orders done early, they coordinated their life schedule to come help and support me. It's crazy. It makes me cry every time I think about it.
The cake community has never felt like this for me before, so it's so great to feel like I have 15 other girls that are like cheering for me, and we can support each other. I am so much more fulfilled and have such a better focus and a more clear vision of who I want to be. I'm a better mom, I'm a better wife, I'm a better business owner, I'm a better leader to my staff, and so I know it's important for me to make sure that I'm being fulfilled so that I can do what I need to do for everyone else in my life.